LocknLevel solves the annoying problem facing most caravanners. How do I get the caravan perfectly level and fit my wheel lock? First time, every time. Position your caravan and pre-align your wheel lock. Place the LocknLevel in front of the wheel and move the caravan so that the wheel is just clear of the LocknLevel. Slide the LocknLevel into place behind the wheel so that the tyre runs between the yellow lines. Move the caravan back into the original position and fit the lock. You should now chock the offside wheel and apply the handbrake. Attach your pump and inflate. This sequence has been speeded up, but this would normally take between 1 and 2 minutes. A LocknLevel will raise most caravans over 6 inches high. When you are ready to leave the site, simply raise the corner steadies and open the deflation valve. In about 30 seconds you will be able to remove the lock and roll off the LocknLevel. For protection, we are using a piece of matting under the LocknLevel. LocknLevel comes in its own storage bag and weighs approximately 3 kilos. LocknLevel, making a caravanner's life a little easier.